What's up guys, welcome back to another Tech Spaces cubing video. Today we are going to be taking a deep dive into the GAN356 XS. This is a cube released in 2019 and we're going to be seeing if this cube is still worth it in 2023, since the Cubicle still sells it at the same price as the GAN 11M Pro, which is a year newer than this. So that means this must have something special, which means we have to take a look at it. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. You can see the box is already opened. I did a poor job of packing this back in. This is basically the overview of what you'll get in the box. You'll get a case similar to this case. You'll get the GAN XS. I got the stickered version. I have the accessories. There should be a GAN bag, an instruction manual, and the CFOP pamphlet. I'm missing the GAN bag. And there also is the GES Pro system. If you bought this back in 2019, you would have gotten the GES V5, I believe, or it was the V4, which is the one with the colored nuts. The revision, which is the GAN XS Lite, does not come with that. It comes with the GAN 11M Pro adjustment system. It also comes with a nice credit card. Please do not use this in a store. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into the cube. This is the GAN356 XS. It is the successor to the GAN356X, which was also a very popular cube. This cube set a ton of new standards when it came out, and Felix Zemdegs actually used this to set like the 5.53 world record. There's a lot of things special with this cube. Many people say it's like the last cube to have like the original GAN feel. So this is a fairly interesting cube to take a look at today in 2023. So let's go ahead and break down the features. The GAN XS has like an adjustable magnet system. This has only been brought back in the GAN 14. This got lost in the GAN 11, GAN 12, GAN 13. They all did not have the edge adjustment system. Only the GAN 14 has this. This is already something that's extremely ahead of its time. It also has a dual adjustment and tension compression system with the this is the GES Pro. Which is the GAN 11 system. I have a GAN 11 right here. Let me go ahead and take a look. So this is the GAN 11, and you can see that the GAN 11 has the same adjustment system with the nut, the blue nut that has 2 settings on it, and the spring, which I believe has 6 settings on it. System that this cube originally shipped with was the GES V5 or V4. I don't remember what it's called, but it's the one with the colored nuts, and you cannot actually swap the spring out separately. A spring is built into the nut. One of the only GAN cubes to have an all plastic core, because the GAN X had a metal core, and the GAN 11 here has a core that's plastic, but it also has magnets inside, and it causes it to be a little bit heavier. So this is the only cube with an all plastic core. The core not only reduces the weight, but it also increases the speed. And this made it one of the fastest, lightest, most like high-tech 3x3s at the time of its launch. And it's still pretty light today. Like compared to the GAN 12, which I have over here, I can't actually tell, but like it feels like the same. I would actually say maybe the GAN 12 is a bit heavier, but without a scale, it's hard to tell. But like that just shows how much ahead of the time that this was. So let's go ahead and do some turns. So I don't know if you've heard from the sound clip that I just showed you, but this cube is very tactile, it's smooth, it's crisp, and it has like a distinct feel to it. It has a very smooth and stable solving experience. The corner cutting is very impressive, especially compared to today's GAN cubes where corner cutting is kind of difficult. You can corner cut line to line super easily. I think you can even corner cut a tiny bit past that. Did that just... Wait, what? Oh, I was kind of expecting this to do a reverse corner cut, but like the normal corner cutting is already super good. Like it can cut backwards. Like I want this to go this way, past the center, but like instead it's going back. Like this is doing like maybe a 60-degree normal corner cut, which is like insane. This is like 2x2 levels of corner cutting. Yeah, so the GAN, that just proves my point. Like the GAN XS is insanely good at corner cutting. This is like insanely good. Like 45 degrees, 55 degrees, even like 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Bam. Oh, that was reverse corner cut. It's like the corner cutting on this is just impressive. That's what I'm trying to say. If we take a look, that is an all plastic core, and that's super light. And you can see it has the traditional GAN honeycomb piece design with the GAN magnet capsule on the edges. And it also has the dual track design, which is something that the new GAN cubes don't have. If we take a look at the new GAN corners, it does not have that dual track design, which means it's less stable. I'm not sure if you can see that. The edge pieces also have the dual track design to accommodate the corner pieces, but as you can see on the side, the newer GAN pieces don't have that. So if you were to put this on here, it wouldn't fit that well. Yeah, the GAN XS is $39.99 as of the time of filming. And the GAN 11N Pro is also $39.99. Even though that these cubes are a whole year apart, this one has core magnets. And this one doesn't even have core magnets. These two are really different cubes, and yet they're the same price. And I think that just goes to show how good the GAN XS is and how it still holds on to its value. I mean, it's still 40 bucks. Like, that's a lot of money. The GAN 12 has come down from 78 to like 55 the past like 2 years, while the GAN XS, it's only come down like a couple dollars within the past like, I don't know, couple years of this cube being out. I just think that this cube is just really amazing. The GAN XS is still priced at $40. I do think that is a bit overpriced, for example, for, you know, how old this cube is. While the features do justify the cost to some extent, there are like a ton of budget-friendly options like the RSTRAM V5, like even the RSTRAM 2020, a ton of other cubes on the market since like 2019 that are available if you like are looking for a similar cube to the GAN XS. Alrighty, let's do a solve. Gotta clean off the outside of the GAN XS because there's some lube on the outside. Just clean that off and let's go ahead and do a solve. I'm not too used to the recognition on these stickers, so I may not get the best time. However, let's just see what I've got. G4 timer is malfunctioning again. Okay, let's go. Still got a 24. That is actually pretty bad, so I'm gonna rescramble and try again. Nice and easy J-perm in 15 seconds solved. I do think that this cube has a lot of potential. If I got like the not stickered version, then I feel like this is definitely like main worthy. Like even though it's like 4 years old, this is still a really main worthy cube. Like obviously if you have better options, like then just get the better options, right? Alright, so just wrapping up, the GAN XS is like just undoubtedly a classic. The innovative features set like a benchmark in speedcubing back when it's released, and I think it still holds up very well to do this day. But like with the rapid advancements since 2019, like the GAN 20, the GAN 11 introduced core magnets, GAN 12 introduced maglib. There's a ton of new features. This is just facing a ton of competition, and I think the $40 price tag is still like it's a really high price tag for a cube that's just 4 years old. So I would say if you're like a cube collector, then just get this. It's really good. If you have this cube and so just like don't want to buy a new cube, it's like you're not going to be held back by this cube. You're going to be held back by like your own skills. And if you like just the old GAN feel, this could still be your cube in 2023. But honestly, there are much better options out there. Even though this is still a great cube, I think that you can go out buy like the RSTRAM V5, maybe like a GAN 14. There are a ton of better options out there. So that's it for today's review. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts. Have you tried the GAN XS? Do you think it's worth $40 in 2023? Let us know down below. Thank you for watching Tech Faces Cubing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.